Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be doing some anatomical face masks. So Anatomicals said this would be like a really good idea for plans for Valentine's Day. So we've got a movie to watch, we've got some popcorn to eat, and we both have a face mask to try out. So my one is the Farewell the Scarlet Pimple Head Deep Cleansing Mud Mask.
I think mine is Grease Isn't the Word. Tell me more, tell me more.
What is it?
Mattifying face mask.
A mattifying face mask. So we're going to pop these on, pop a movie on, and eat our weight in popcorn today, guys.
Should we put them on now?
Yeah. I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but this was going to go up for Valentine's Day. You know, it's a Valentine's Day themed video, I promise. Just don't get it in your hair.
On my beard?
Yeah, don't get it in there. Oh, I'm going to take out my nose stud.
What, whole face coverage?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this.
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells really nice.
Well, let's smell yours. Yeah, yours smells better than mine.
Yeah. I can't quite see.
Bobby.
I got it. So.
Look. Little bit. Swoop.
Big bit.
Little bit.
More coverage. I think it's in the popcorn. Oh no. Oh, my eyebrows too. Nice.
Guys, this is why Bobby doesn't do face masks. But this is an amazing bonding experience. Truly romantic.
Well, Maria, I think you win this round.
Right. Do you just want to like... Oh, shit. Take a break on yours and I'll finish it up in a sec. Just let me get mine on.
No, man, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I got this.
How long does yours say you have to leave it on for? Mine's 10 to 15 minutes.
What does it say?
On the back.
Whereabouts?
In the instructions.
Oh yeah, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay, we good. Wow. Your poor hair. I'm trying to get it to stay. Right, let's fix Bobby up.
You're gonna need not more than a face mask for that, man.
I think that's gonna have to do, guys.
Oh yeah. I've got more on my hands than on my face, to be fair.
I don't know where any wipes are. So we're gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes for these masks to sort out. We're gonna be sitting here eating popcorn.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I saw my finger. Right, and then we'll come back and tell you how these made our face feel.
How can we make this not awkward?
I don't know. We're just waiting for the masks to dry, guys. Bobby's is been applied great. Mine, however, actually, oh, I must have knocked it a bit. But mine's not looking too bad. His, we'll deal with it. You'll get better. So mine's not fully dry, but we've waited 15 minutes, so.
Mine's mostly, I'd say,
dry or
popcorn's wiped it off my
popcorn
face.
wiped it off, yeah. So we're just gonna take these off and then go sit back down, touch our faces up, and yeah. Yeah, like I can't move it around, so most of it's dry.
I think that's mostly out, right?
It's off. We good.
We good.
You can stop that now.
Bye, guys.
Our faces are clean. No, actually they do look really clean. But my skin is really soft. Bobby's skin is probably the softest it's been. But Anatomicals face masks are now available at Boots, which is really, really cool because before you would not really be able to get hold of them. So they do like loads. Obviously you saw the mattifying one, you saw the deep cleansing one, we've got a skin boosting one here, anti-stress. I've tried out some of the other ones as well, and they're honestly like some of my favourite face masks. Anatomicals face masks are like 100% cruelty free, so we love them, don't we, Bobby? We love Anatomicals. But anyway guys, if you did enjoy today's video and you like seeing Bobby, he does have his own channel, but he only does Mario. So if you enjoy Mario 64 speedruns, head on over to Bobby's channel. Hopefully he's going to be posting a lot more regularly on there. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new around here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bobby, come on to the camera. You're slowly like...
waiting for the wrap up.
Anyway, guys. I will catch you in the next video, guys. See you later. Say bye.
See you later, guys.
Love. Love.
Oh no, the cat.
So I absolutely...
La 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 la.
Look at the camera, boy.